Hi folks, this is the Miele WXF660 WCS washing machine. I bought this washer about 1.5 years ago and I've used it extensively since then. In this video, I'll share both the good and the bad so you can clearly decide whether a Miele washer is right for your needs and if it truly fits your laundry needs. This model sits in the mid-range of Miele washer lineup in the US, about 2 levels below the flagship model. One important thing to note is that this model does not include a recirculation pump, meaning it doesn't continuously spray wash water back into the laundry in the drum to speed up the detergent saturation. But it's not much of a big difference actually. So I chose to go with this model. However, it does support 2 windows, Miele's automatic detergent dispensing system, which you guys can see it over here, that it takes place at the bottom where the 2 cartridges go in below, but you absolutely don't need it. This is an additional option. If you want, you can also go with your own laundry detergent by using the regular dispenser. And these cartridges are about $30 and come in 2 bottles, one for the main detergent and one for the booster. If you are a laundry enthusiast, this is a big plus because Miele also offers a wide range of detergents and specialty laundry products, from ultra-sensitive formulas to outdoor and wool detergents. Current price is, as of today, this washer is around $1,899 before taxes. It's also ranked among the top performing washing machines in the country by Consumer Reports, earning 86 points, which is currently the highest score in today's washer market. You won't find this washer at mass retailers like Lowe's, Home Depot, or Walmart. Instead, it's available through special order or via third-party appliance retailers such as AJ Madison, Designer Appliances, and or other regional dealers, depending on where you live at. Let's talk about the overall build quality first, because this is one area that Miele truly stands out. Okay, unlike most modern washers that use a plastic outer top, not in top, this Miele uses a stainless steel outer top where you can see it in here. Let me show you guys. You see that this top is also steel, which is taking place at the outside of the wheel of the washer. Whereas other washers, this is built basically by PET or plastic drum. And this is where Miele truly stands out. What this does is that it adds to durability, temperature stability, and long-term structural integrity, especially during high temperature cycles. Starting from the front, the door design is gently curved, as you can see over here. It has a slight curvature over here. Shape helps guide the rotating laundry toward the center of the drum, improving wash consistency. There is also a decorative outer door ring, which is made of plastic as well, but it is well finished and looks solid. As you can see, it has a specially designed top design. These are called honeycomb design, and it's made of hexagons that are placed evenly in the wheel. Miele's award-winning honeycomb drum design, which all of the Miele models have it nowadays, which works very differently from the traditional perforated drums used by the most brands. And the difference is, when the water is introduced to the wash cycle, the hexagonal honeycomb pattern creates a thin water film between the drum surface and the laundry, allowing fabrics to glide instead of rub each other aggressively. This dramatically reduces the fabric wear and tear. And at the same time, the raised hexagon edges provide controlled mechanical action, gently flexing fabrics to help release the dirt instead of relying on harsh friction. Compared to standard drums that use simple round holes and rely mostly on agitation, Miele's design focuses on precision, movement, fabric protection, and controlled scrubbing. The detergent drawer is also very well thought, and it comes with a dedicated liquid detergent container, which I took it out, and it is this specific container that you put it in if you are to use liquid laundry detergent, and you can take it in or take it out. If you are to use powdered laundry detergent, you can just simply take it out, or if you're using a liquid one, you can take it in. And this one is the bleach container located at the right. This is where your fabric softener goes. You just take the flip up. It has a pretty large fabric softener compartment, as you can see, but that doesn't mean you can put as much softener as you want. This is also designed for different liquids because Miele has different type of some special care products. And everything slides smoothly and feels sturdy, very much in line with the other Miele's premium positioning products. It provides variety of wash cycles, and there are a lot of dedicated cycles that you will just see in a second. You can also set your washing machine, or if you have the dryer, a password if you are living in a shared area, or if you want the access of your washer by yourself. Let's go with the durations and the cycles. We just unlock the washer. So the first cycle will be your normal cycle, which is also known as cotton cycle, and it takes 1 hour and 26 minutes to complete the full wash load of 8 kg or 20 pounds of laundry. You can choose your water temperature by up to hot plus, or you can go to cold. However, spin you cannot adjust in between, so you should only choose maximum, or you should choose rinse hold options, or there is no spin at all, which dramatically reduces the time. The second cycle you will see here is your delicate cycle, which is 1 hour and 4 minutes. You have your sanitize cycle, you have your hand wash cycle, you have dress shirts, dark denims, which will take about 1.5 hours. You will see proofing cycle, which is not for everyday wash. This is only a long rinse cycle, which takes 39 minutes to make your fabrics waterproof after having washed properly. You also have outdoor cycle for your outdoor wear, mixed fabrics. You have extra white cycle, which delivers you as sanitized and bright whites. You have your express cycle, which I love, one of the best options. It is 30 minutes. You can also choose your dirt level of your laundry. If you choose light dirt, you will get a 20-minute wash. You can choose this for most of the cycles over here. And you can choose mobile start option. I would like to mention this option, and you will see it in your Miele app. If you download Miele app on your phone, you will have the access from your phone. You can go all the programs or cycles. You will see all available cycles, even the ones not listed on your cycle knob. You will see every options, and you can choose one of the cycles and you can hit start. If you want to get a reach from your cycle knob, you will see the additional cycles on more programs part. There are table, linens, drapes, settings, maintenance, pillows, downs, towels, baby clothes, quick rinse, drain and spin, wrinkle free, which is your synthetic cycle, silks, woolens, sportswear, and so on. You have the access to rest of the programs and your settings. If you want to run a drum cleaning cycle, if you are using also a auto dispensing system, which is the twin DOS in Miele washers, you have to make sure you keep all the system clean. So you would want to make a cleaning cycle on periodic base for both your washer and your dispenser system. Or your dispenser can get clogged with detergent. Let's say you've just put your detergent cartridges and you left the house for a couple of months. And when you come back, you may see that your washer is not functioning properly anymore. And that is simply because the detergent inside the small channels that distributes it to the system is just frozen. And you have to call the Miele technicians to unlock it for you. And it will cause you trouble. So make sure when you are leaving out for a long time, or if you are not going to use the AutoDose system, make sure to give it a Miele bought product, or you can mix a simple vinegar warm water solution and just use the setting cycle in here and run a cleaning for the cartridges. You can see there's a twin dose option right over here. And if you would like to clean your washing machine, you can also do that. Choose maintenance on the more programs part. You will hit OK, and it will give you two options. This is for your drum clean and one for your twin dose clean system. If you hit to twin dose care, it will not perform any washing. It will just pull the detergent or the solution that you put, and it will suck it into the drum, and then it will clean all the system out. You should do this in a periodic basis if you are using twin dose system. If you're not using twin dose system, you're fine. For your washing machine, you know how often you need to clean your washing machine. The same rules apply for the rest of the washers, either every 30 to 40 loads. If you are using fabric softener, probably more common. If you are using high heat cycles, probably less common. The dimension of this washer are 23.5 inches wide, 33.5 inches high, 25.5 inches depth with the door closed, 42.5 inches of depth with the door open. The energy consumption is rated at 116 kilowatt per hour per year. Though this is an average estimate and will vary depending on temperature settings, cycle selection, and your usage habits, of course. I would like to mention how Miele washers different from other washers, as this is one of the most asked questions among everybody, even myself. I asked this to myself before buying this washer, and I found out the results. The first difference is that this is a premium washing machine. Think of it just like buying a Porsche or Mercedes AMG. Those cars are still built for roads, but they are designed for luxury and performance, not just basic transportation like a Toyota Corolla or Honda Civic, which are also great cars, but for different purpose. In the same way, Miele washers aren't just built to clean everyday laundry. They are designed for fabric care, sanitation, and special hygiene needs. This washer includes an internal water heater capable of heating water up to 170 Fahrenheit degrees or 75 Celsius degrees, commonly known in Europe as boil wash. This allows for very high sanitation, capable of removing up to 99% of the bacteria and flushing everything out, including the mold. And you also get specialty cycles in this washer, such as proofing, some of soaking options, gentle option, extra rings. You also have some different cycles than other rest of the washers, such as outdoor wear, darks, proofing, hygiene-focused programs, and these features are rare in standard budget washer. The matching dryer for this washer is the TXI 680 WP, which I also own, and I'm planning to make a separate dedicated video about it in the future coming weeks, so stay tuned for that. And I would like to mention personally that I love the washing performance of this machine. There is no doubt on that, of course. But I want to be honest, it's not unbeatable. A high-end Electrolux, Samsung, or LG wash tower can also deliver excellent cleaning performance results for significantly less money. If you are a laundry enthusiast, enjoy caring for clothes, and don't live in a very crowded household, you will likely love this washer. However, if you have a very large family, want to get laundry done quickly, or prefer simple controls with shorter cycles, this machine may feel slow or overly complex, since cycle times are generally longer and options are very detailed. Since I live alone and enjoy spending time on laundry care as my routine, this washer fits my lifestyle perfectly. That said, I also appreciate larger Samsung Electrolux and LG Turbo Wash machines. If I had a larger family, I would probably choose a larger Electrolux model, which also ranks very high in cleaning performance, even by the Consumer Reports. I also want to clearly differentiate this from Speed Queen top loaders, which are a lot going viral nowadays, which I also like about the Speed Queens, but I would like to mention the differences here. The Speed Queen machines are excellent, and they are often even more durable, but they are designed for different purposes, which is for fast, heavy-duty output. Miele, on the other hand, focuses more on precision, gentleness, energy, and water efficiency, including apparel care and sanitation. While Speed Queen is offering you a very quick wash, as many laundry as you can get in a wash, and also get all the grime and dust, flushing it out with lots of water, and it serves you very long years. This washer more cares for your laundry. Whichever washing machine you are choosing for your family or for yourself, you should always consider your needs first. This washing machine obviously may not fit best for maybe 8 person living in a household, or maybe more. Maybe it's 5, 6 kids, probably, because it doesn't have as large capacity as you can see here. It is something around 2 point something cubic feet in the market terms. But it does offer you a lot different options, which laundry enthusiasts really care about, like me. However, if you're in a pickle and if you want to get your laundry done, you don't want to spend as much time in your laundry, just go for another quick wash cycle, including washing machines, and just go for that. Thank you for your interest in this Miele washer, and I'll see you in my next analysis video, including the upcoming TXI 680 WP dryer review. Bye for now.